Think about this for a second. What would your life look like if you had an extra $10,000 coming in every single month, without clocking in, without asking for time off, without answering to a boss? Sounds unreal, right? I used to think the same thing. I was working a regular job, watching the clock every day, trading hours for dollars. And honestly, it felt like no matter how hard I worked, I was stuck. Bills kept coming, savings barely moved, and that idea of financial freedom felt like something only rich people talked about. But everything changed when I started focusing on one simple goal: building passive income. Now, let me be real with you right away. I didn't have some special degree. I didn't have a ton of money to invest. I didn't have insider knowledge or connections. I started from zero. And over time, I built my passive income up to $10,000 a month. Not overnight, not magically, but step by step, in a way that you can actually follow too. So let me walk you through exactly how this happened and how you can start doing the same thing. Because once you understand this, it changes how you see money forever. At the beginning, I made one big shift in my thinking. I stopped asking, how can I make more money today? And started asking, how can I build something that pays me over and over again? That's the whole game. Most people focus on active income. You work, you get paid. You stop working, the money stops too. Passive income flips that. You do the work once, and it keeps paying you later. So I started small, really small. My first stream of passive income didn't make me thousands. It made me about $47 in a month. Yeah, not exactly life-changing. But here's the thing. It proved something. It proved that money could come in without me trading hours for it. And that moment, that's when everything clicked. So let me break down the exact paths I used. The first one was digital products. Now, before you think I'm not creative or I don't know what to sell, hear me out. I didn't create anything fancy. I made simple digital guides and templates based on things I already knew. Think about it. People are constantly searching for solutions. Budget planners, resume templates, study guides, side hustle ideas. I created a basic budgeting spreadsheet and listed it online. That's it. No huge investment, no complicated tech, and slowly sales started coming in. Not a lot at first, maybe a few dollars a day, but over time those small sales stacked up. And the best part is, I didn't have to recreate the product every time. I made it once and it kept selling. That's the power of digital products. Then I took things a step further. I started focusing on content. And honestly, this is where things really started to grow. I began sharing what I was learning: personal finance tips, saving strategies, and simple ways to make extra money. At first, nobody was watching, like literally nobody. But I kept going, because here's the truth most people don't talk about. Consistency beats talent in the long run. Slowly, people started paying attention. Views turned into followers, followers turned into trust, and trust, that turns into income. Through content, I started earning from ads, affiliate links, and brand deals. And if you're not familiar with affiliate income, it's basically this. You recommend a product or service, and when someone signs up or buys through your link, you earn a commission. Simple. No need to create your own product, no customer support, no inventory. Just sharing things that are actually useful. Now, let's talk about another big piece of the puzzle: investing. Because at some point, you need your money working for you too. I started putting money into index funds. Nothing complicated, just simple long-term investing. And I know investing can feel intimidating at first, but here's the thing. You don't need to be a stock market expert. You just need consistency. Every month, I invested a portion of what I earned. And over time, those investments started generating returns. Dividends, growth, compounding. That's where the real magic happens, because compounding is basically money making money, and then that money making even more money. It's slow at first, but give it time and it starts to snowball. And honestly, this is one of the biggest reasons I was able to reach that $10,000 mark, not because I got lucky, but because I stayed consistent. Now, let me share something important. None of these income streams exploded overnight. That's the part people don't like to hear. Everyone wants fast results. But passive income is more like planting seeds. You water them, you take care of them, and eventually they grow. Some faster than others, some slower than expected. But if you stay patient, it adds up. At one point, I had multiple streams bringing in small amounts, a couple hundred here, a few hundred there, maybe 1,000 from one source. And suddenly, I looked at everything combined, and it crossed $10,000 in a single month. That moment felt unreal, not just because of the money, but because of what it represented. Freedom, options, security. I wasn't stuck anymore. Now, let's talk about what you should actually do if you're starting from zero. First, don't try to do everything at once. That's the fastest way to burn out. Pick one path, just one. Maybe it's creating digital products, maybe it's starting content, maybe it's affiliate marketing. Focus on learning and improving in that one area. Second, don't wait until you feel ready, because honestly, you never will. I started before I knew what I was doing, and you probably will too. That's normal. You learn by doing. Third, reinvest what you earn. This is huge. When you start making money, it's tempting to spend it. But if you reinvest it, you speed things up. More tools, better resources, bigger opportunities. That's how you grow faster. And fourth, stay consistent even when it feels like nothing is happening. Because behind the scenes, things are building. Skills are improving. Systems are forming. Momentum is growing. You just don't see it yet. Now, let me be honest with you. There were times I wanted to quit. Times where nothing seemed to work. Times where I questioned if this was even possible. But I kept going. Not because it was easy, but because I knew what was on the other side. And if you're watching this right now, chances are you want something more too. Maybe it's financial freedom. Maybe it's less stress about money. Maybe it's just knowing you're not stuck. And here's the good news. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start. Start small. Start messy, but start. Because the sooner you begin, the sooner things start changing. And one day you'll look back and realize that that small decision you made today was the reason everything shifted. And hey, if this gave you a new perspective or even just a little motivation, I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. We talk about money, building income, and creating real financial freedom here in a way that actually makes sense. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.